In today's video we will fix the Frigidaire refrigerator display panel not working. Reset, lock, power and fix. The fix one, you can reset the refrigerator. Unplug the refrigerator from the power outlet. Wait for 5 minutes and then plug it back in and check the display panel. Fix 2, you can check power supply. Make sure the power cord is fully plugged in. Then check the kitchen breaker or fuse box and then reset the breaker if needed. The fix 3, you can clean the display panel. Turn off the refrigerator power. Wipe the panel with a soft dry cloth. Then remove the moisture or grease from the buttons. And in step 4, you can close the refrigerator door properly. Make sure both doors are fully closed. Check if the door switch is stuck or blocked. Then reopen and close the door again. Goodbye.